Every individual that I meet with brings their own story. My first objective when meeting with a new client is to identify who they are as a person. I want to know their personal background, the unique set of circumstances that they found themselves in, and also what their objectives are. I make sure that a client is well informed and we maintain an open channel of communication so they feel comfortable calling me 24 hours a day. It's by maintaining this relationship with my clients that I can most effectively fight for their rights and ensure that every constitutionally guaranteed right to due process and the right to a fair trial are preserved. I have the utmost respect for veterans of the United States Armed Forces. In fact, my closest childhood friend served 3 combat tours with the United States Marines. I experienced firsthand the impact that his service had on his family and his friends, myself included. I love using my experience with the law to help veterans navigate the criminal justice system when facing criminal charges. In Massachusetts, in 2012, the Valor Act was passed, which takes into account the sacrifices that service members make on behalf of the rights of all citizens. And I've enjoyed great success representing veterans when facing criminal charges. Judges know me, prosecutors know me, the police know me. And they all know that if I say I'm going to do something, it'll be done. There are reasons why people find themselves in those circumstances. It's not always because they're a predator or they're doing something intentionally to really victimize someone else. Maybe they're the victim of a crime. Maybe they have substance abuse issues or domestic violence issues. And so I am very involved in the recovery community, with the Gavin Foundation, with the Karen Foundation, which deals with victims of domestic violence, and will work with individuals to ensure that not only are their interests best represented in court, but they also get the support that they need to make positive progress in their lives. When prosecutors and judges, they see so much paperwork, they see police reports, they see applications for criminal complaints, things of that nature. And to them, the client is exactly that. They're just words on a paper, black and white, and there's no substance to it. So I always work to try and identify who they are as an individual and get a broader picture so that I can then paint that picture for the prosecutors and for the judges. Everyone has their own story, and it really, I look at people beyond what they're charged on a piece of paper. I want to do whatever I can to most effectively represent them in court, make sure that their rights are guaranteed and preserved in the court of law, but also outside of court, make sure that they get the support that they need and any treatment or other training in order to continue making progress in their lives in a positive way.